Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the new update on Verasity. As in my earlier video that I shared a few hours ago with you, I was telling you that Verasity has recently broken out finally another down channel on the daily time frame chart. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price is moved up, and now we are about to hit this quite strong and long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.0045 and goes to $0.00492. If we take a look at the previous history of this resistance zone, let me just show you this resistance on the weekly time frame chart. Then we can see that previously it had been working as support here, and support here. For the past several weeks, a month, it had been working at a very strong support here and here as a resistance. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this breakout that has already happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this very massive falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade signal for Cream Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 9th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see first it dropped down again inside this buying zone. Then we had a very massive rally. Now let me take you to the live chart of Verasity. And here you can see that Verasity has recently broken out at the resistance of a very long-term down channel. You can see that for the past several days, since after 4th of March 2024, it was moving inside this channel. And while moving inside this channel, we lost this very significant support zone that starts from $0.009492 and goes to $0.00450. And after the breakdown, you can see that here recently we found a short-term support at $0.0027, and you can see that the pricing for the past several days has been getting bounced from the support, and now finally, after getting squeezed between this support and resistance of the channel, we have broken out the resistance of the channel. Now we need to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 450 and goes to 492. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that previously this level has been working at a very strong support zone here, and support zone here, resistance here, and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong resistance. While it has broken out this channel, at the same time, you can see that Bitcoin is bounced very well from the support of a very big up channel. Therefore, now there is a probability that Verasity will follow the rally of Bitcoin. In case of Bitcoin breaks out this resistance zone that starts from $69,000 and goes to $73,794, Verasity can also break this long-term resistance that is at 1.7 cents, because slightly lower than this resistance, we have the technical target for the breakout from this channel that is approximately at 1.5 or 1.6 cents. But in my opinion, after this breakout, it can also break out this long-term resistance of 1.7 cents that has been previously breaking as a very strong support here as well. Now on this 7-day time frame chart, we can see that we have already broken out this very big falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, by the way, we had a very massive rally from this low to this high. You can see that it was more than 634% pump, but still a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And that technical target is here at the top of the wedge that can be somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.